What's up, guys? And today we are back with the same build we've been doing for today, and it's a part 3. Hopefully we can finish that modern house that we are building today. Hopefully we can finish it at the pool, finish the house, and yeah, so I'm not gonna decorate inside the house. I'm gonna add floors, and then I'm gonna go outside and add a pool, and then we're all done. That's all we need to do. I'm just gonna add a couple of decor to the house. I'm outside of the house, but it's just like bushes and flowers and stuff, and like a fence in the backyard. And then we're done with the house. Hopefully this will come on good. This world, this is the world we've been building it. And like 3 videos today, guys. 3. I want to finish this. We need to finish this. Okay, guys. This is what it is. The outside is like a nasty. There's a whole bunch of holes. I hate when that happens. Like, it's OCD kicking in all the time. Oh wow. Guys, I might get my OCD right kicking in, and I might have to replace it. So this, you walk in, the kitchen's literally right there. No cramped house. Sorry, guys. Okay, what you want to do is start excavating everything. Excavating it out, digging holes to add a floor. So we can add a floor. Oops. Though. And guys, if you want to get Minecraft Pocket Edition, it is $7 something cents. That's what I paid for at least, and hopefully I can get it. And I will be doing servers. You guys can join my server and like view my videos and stuff. Help me build. But I will ask you not to destroy anything, please, guys. Don't destroy anything when I let you in, guys. We're gonna have to create a server, and you got. No, it's not gonna be this particular one, because some people out there. So I don't want that. So these actually built are included in videos. And yeah, you can destroy all you want in this. I will be building stuff in there, but like if you destroy stuff that catch you, like I might have that ban, like, and also like no asking, like no paying people for items. If they want to give you items, they can give you items. If they don't want to, they don't want to. Oh yeah. Yes. Let's get some grass start place. Okay, push that there. Okay, all done. So now what we're gonna do? We got the thing. Yeah. Oh no, guys. Okay, guys. So, oh, that didn't work out. Okay. So now we're gonna add first let's add a door. We need a door. Door. I think it's in here. No, it's where's the door? Oh, get an iron door. Yeah, iron door and let's get a pressure plate. We can find one real quick. Pressure plate, where are you? Yep, found the pressure plate. Just get a white pressure plate. And you want to place your door. Your door right there. Your pressure plate. The door, you push the pressure plate down there and open the door. Let's add the front door. Okay, now that we got that, let's add the pool really quick. Okay, let's add the pool right there. Let's dig it out. You can make it however big you want. So dig it out. What I'm doing is yeah, small pool, and I'll make it bigger. Literally, guys, I'm trying to finish this video, so I'm gonna add like details. I really don't want to make it part 4 because there are 4 videos in a day. Okay, now we'll make it deep. You make it as deep as you want, as much deep as you want. But I'm playing Pocket Edition, and if you go to the bedrock, you can actually break it, and you literally fall through, guys. So you can break it. See that you broke the bedrock, and now place it because so we're gonna replace it with it anyway. So. Okay, guys. Okay, we're down 9 minutes, guys. 9 minutes. I need to hurry up. I'm rushing, guys. Oops. Guys. Panicking. I don't want to make a part 4. I don't want to make a part 4. My video's gonna end. I don't want that, guys. So I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Guys, I'm speed building. I'm destroying as fast as I can. Join the battle rock. Can I make it? Please make it. And guys, you can like decorate your yard as much as you want. I can make it, guys. Okay, guys, I can make it. All I need to do is guys, we're gonna do more, guys. If we have no time, we can. Okay, anything wrong, and guys, right, focus. We have 11 minutes. Yeah, you get this, guys. If you want to just replace the walls, I don't have enough time to do that. So, yeah. Maybe we can place these. Okay, guys. This is literally because I have enough time. Guys, we're gonna have to keep building. Because I don't know enough time. Okay, guys, one left. Guys, we're up really down to 12. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we got the pool. Guys, and water. What's up? What's up? Full pool. So the pool is not gonna be good. We don't have enough time. But it's not. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, don't. And I did it. Well, I messed up the pool, guys. So yeah. Well, you got the pool, and I'm gonna end this video off right now. And you can like fix the pool, guys, please, because I just don't want to make another part just because of fixing the pool, which is gonna be like I don't know, but as much as you want. And I'll see you guys in the next vid tomorrow, and bye-bye, and make sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.